Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable or enable Windows security here in your Windows, okay? So if you undergo troubleshooting issues while installing your printer device or any softwares and Windows security just automatically disable it, then today I'm going to teach you how to disable your Windows security. Let's start the process by clicking the forward arrow here, aligning the taskbar, and then locate the shield icon here. Just click on that to open the Windows security. Okay, so once you're here, just have to locate virus and threat protection at the left side of your screen. And then just simply scroll down, then click Manage Settings. Here, you just have to simply turn off this all and your user control. Once you turn that off, your user control will ask you to allow it, then just simply click on yes. And then as well as this dev drive protection, this cloud delivered protection, automatic sample submission, and tamper protection. Okay, you just have to make sure that all these are off, then close this window. Okay, so once you're done with your troubleshooting, or once you're done installing your device, your printer device, or any software, just have to make sure that you turn this on again, this window security. You just have to simply locate the shield icon again, because I am not recommending you to turn this Windows security off, because this just simply protect your computer. So for just temporary, when you undergo troubleshooting issues while installing any device or any software, just have to disable it, and then after that, just go back to your Windows security and then turn it on again or disable it on again. Okay, just have to locate the virus and threat protection, go to the manage settings rather, than turn this on. Your user control will ask you to allow, just simply click on yes, and then scroll down and then turn this on here, here. Just have to make sure that all of this are enabled again. Okay, so hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button as well as the bell one to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day, everyone.